Okay, guys, so the technology or my technology or Wi-Fi, something keeps messing up and it keeps kicking me off. So we're just gonna leave off instead of me starting completely over again and again. So the company, what has new shoes? A shoe company. What did the company design the shoes for? Did they design it for Penguin Awareness Day, Autism Awareness Month, or National Stress Awareness Month? Hmm. Yep, National or Autism Awareness Month. And then, it's just not happening today. When is Autism Awareness Month? Okay, let's think about this. Our options are September, June, or April. What month is it right now? It's April, so we know it is April. There you go. And for my opportunities to learn with the choice board, I just got done doing an at home workout. Um, so I did do push ups, but I am going to get a video later of Kaden doing push ups. That's who I challenge. And if you guys do any of the push ups for PE today, let me know. Send them to me. We can share them with Mr. Williams. He would be so excited to see that. So I hope you guys have a great day. Looks like it's going to be indoors today, but hopefully you find some fun things to do. I hope everybody's staying healthy and enjoying this time together with their family, a different pace of life and everything. And I miss you guys. And I will see ya.